What's up everybody? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today, right now, it is beautiful outside. It is super duper hot. So I decided to do something like in the summer vibe with my makeup, and I go full pink and purple style. And why not? So if you want to know how I did this one and you want to recreate it, just go see the steps. So let's start with the base, and for my primer I will use my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. This is so smoochy. So it's really important to use a primer. Why? Because a primer will help your makeup to stay on your face, lock on your face all day long. I mean, sometime outside it can be hot, it can rain. So if you want everything to stay in place and still be beautiful, use a primer. Okay? A primer. I look so dead right now. Why? So let's go for the foundation, and for my foundation I want something that will give me like summer vibe, you know? Like it look natural, you have a glowy skin, you're naturally beautiful in the morning, you wake up with a perfect, beautiful skin. That's a lie, like I mean, nobody has perfect skin. It's a lie, complete lie. But you still want to look like a doll. So I'm just gonna go for my Maybelline Dream Cushion. This one is in the color 20. And never use that thing, okay? I tried once. It's bad. It's bad. Just use your beauty blender, your Eco Tools, whatever the blender you got, okay? Just use it. And I want something really natural. And this one will give me this natural look. For the concealer, I will go straight to my concealer from Annabelle, the Perfect Concealer. How many times did I say concealer? Way too much. I'm weird. Well, this is not fair. This is like super light. This is not fair at all. The name is fair, but I don't think it's kind of fair. I think it's kind of light. Ultra light. Super duper light thing. And I never tested that concealer before, so let's shall see if it's good. Again, my blender and a little bit of fixing spray from Maybelline, the Master Fix fixing spray. There's no name, like just the fixing spray. I have the feeling that it doesn't cover up at all my dark circle under my eyes. That's disappointing. Just gonna try to add a little bit more. And when I said a little bit more, I mean full. A lot of concealer. Dang shit. I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make this work. Believe me, I'm an expert. Now it's kind of better. Success! Okay, so I succeeded to fix the problem. I mean, they call this color fair. I think it's more light. It's just me, or it's really light. But anyway, we fixed the problem. I just pat a little bit more with my blender, my beauty blender. And now I'm gonna fix my under eyes. I'm gonna put these concealer and foundation look on my face, and I will use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock. It was hard. It was. And I'm just gonna... How you open this? I always eat powder when I do that. Oh, I was scared. But it's okay. Now that I look like a psycho killer, literally, I cannot go outside like this. People will arrest me. But I'm gonna go for my brows and I'm gonna come back because you know I will use something that I already like, and this one is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the color number 2. So I'm coming back. So brows are done, now I'm finished. So next I'm gonna go to kick off the bake under my eyes. I'm just gonna go curl my lashes because usually they are like up like this, but today they are down, they're looking down. So you don't want this, you just want to curl these lashes. So let's just admit that this little tool look like something that you can torture someone with. I mean, it's look weird. I'm always scared with this thing close to my eyeball. Oh my god. For the eyes today, I'm gonna go for something really easy. And yes, I know I always say easy with makeup. I mean, and you have 1 million steps. I'm ashamed of myself sometimes. I know it's not always easy, but today it will be easy. Why? Because we're in the summer vibe. We want something really easy to do, to just go outside and have some fun, enjoying going swimming, or I don't know, just take some sun, okay? I just want to be more tan. And I'm gonna use something not expensive, and everybody loves this company. I think so. I do like this company, so at least there's one person, and it is me. And this company, it is ColourPop. And this one, the first color that I'm gonna use is the color Bill. Kill Bill. No, it's not Kill Bill. It's just Bill, okay? I'm just gonna take my brush, a blending brush, because you know me, I love blending brush. And this one is from Luxie, the 207 medium and gold shading. Ouch! And I'm just gonna go in the crease. In fact, all over the lid and in the crease. Okay, next color, it's the color Hustle, this one, and I'm just gonna go with this one in the crease with a blending brush. You just take your brush by the end like this, and it will help to not apply with too much force the eyeshadow on the eyes, and it will look soft and smooth. So cute. You see, it's gonna be as easy makeup. What kind of movie you listen to? I mean, what the heck is that sound? Somebody is watching a movie, and I'm pretty sure you can hear it in the camera, like in the film. The last color that I'm using on my eyes is the color, still from ColourPop, K-Pop Beverly. K-Pop Beverly. So with a small blending brush, rewind. So with a small blending brush like this one is from Sephora, and it's the number 73, and go in the crease, a little bit over the crease, and lightly apply the color again. You see, it's kind of easy. You only use 3 colors. Now that I blend every colors together, I'm just gonna go for my bottom lashes, so down there, and I'm gonna use back the first color, Bill. I always forget that I put the mirror in my face, so you guys cannot see, and that's not a great thing. Oops. I'm just gonna take a smaller angle brush. So I'm just gonna take this brush and take back the second color, Hustle. And I'm just gonna go apply this color a little bit more tight to my under eyes. And with another angle, smaller brush, we're going smaller, smaller, smaller. I'm just gonna take the third color again. My life. No, why you broke? Why you did that to me? We have some trouble, guys. My eyeshadow broke and fall in my hand. I'm gonna come back, okay? So I fixed the problem, and when I mean by fixing the problem, I just put back the eyeshadow in the panel. That's all. I'm just gonna take this color, the K-pop Beverly color, and I'm just gonna go close to my waterline, but just on the external corner of my eyes. I'm gonna go add a little touch of black, and I'm gonna use my pencil from Ciate London. This one is in the color 027. I'm always lost, man. Anyway, we're just gonna go for this one. So I'm gonna go right here, create a small line. And we really want it to be a small, small line. I'm gonna go add some mascara. Yes. So what I was saying is I'm gonna go add a little bit of mascara, my false lashes, and I will come back. Hello, I'm back. I decided to go for more soft false lashes today, and this one is from Adele, the number 110. It looked really natural. It looked like my real lashes, but it's not true. So after I apply my mascara and my false lashes, I'm gonna go in my waterline, and I'm gonna use my pencil from Annabelle in the color beige. And I'm just gonna go back with my purple color. I'm gonna go highlight my intern corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Nicole Guerriero. And I'm gonna use this color. Ouch! And I'm gonna use this color right here, Forever Young. Next, I'm gonna go for my face, and for this I'm gonna start right away with my bronzer. I'm gonna use my Essence Sun Club bronzer. For the blush, I'm just gonna take my... Where is my brush? Ah! I'm just gonna take my Luxie 660 precision brush. It's supposed to be for the foundation, in fact, but I don't really use brush for my foundation. I don't like the way it looks, so I'm always using beauty blenders or like blender, whatever what, and I'm using this brush for my blush. Does it make sense? So I'm just gonna take my Ofra blush. And what I like to do with this kind of makeup is that I just go a little bit over my nose. On the temple here, just a little bit. It gave like that natural rosy like face. Like, you know, the kind of girl that have pink cheeks naturally, and it is so beautiful. Well, this is the kind of makeup I want. Next, I'm gonna go back with the same, exactly same color, Forever Young, and I'm gonna go highlight my face. Whew, that's it. Now I'm glowing. For the lips, I'm gonna go for something that match my eyes. And I mean literally match my eyes. So first I'm starting with my pencil from Joe Fresh in the color Cool Nude. And for the lipstick, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Soft Lilac. I fixed the makeup with the setting spray, the same that I use on my beauty blender at first, from Maybelline, the Master Fix. So this is it, guys. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this one. Like right now we enter summer, so I decided to do something more summer vibe. And yeah, right now it's so beautiful outside. You just want to go walk and go swim. And yes, by the way, even if you decide to take her the first date to go swim, there's waterproof makeup. Huh? Yeah? Exactly. So don't try with us. Don't try. So I hope you will enjoy your day, and on this, if you did like this video, thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. You need to, okay? You just take your hand by... What? Really like... Now it's kind of better. No! Why it doesn't work? I'm just gonna take a little... I'm just... I can't.